What do you do if it doesn't focus?
Change the subject. Now we got it.
Wow.
If backpacking was a game, most of your choices could be summed up in 3 options. Either you chase your dreams, you follow the people you meet, or you go home. The biggest struggle most backpackers face is the fact that these 3 choices play out a constant battle somewhere in the back of all of our minds. If I were to analyze my journey from the moment I quit university to traveling full-time, it would be a wavy, twisted mess. Always trying to follow my dreams, but getting distracted by the amazing people I meet along the way. My point is, 99% of the time, I would abandon my plans in favor of adventuring with somebody else. Not just anyone, but a person crazy enough to match my own hunger for experiences. A confidant, a friend, and a shoulder to cry on. A true partner in crime. Let me introduce him. Dan and I met 4 months prior on Tenerife, and we spent over a month preparing the boat together. One engine malfunction later, we found ourselves drifting in opposite directions. Literally. But then, almost by accident, we crossed paths again. Fast forward 2 months, and as far as I know, Dan is halfway across the Atlantic, sailing directly to Antigua. I'm on the Ukrainian boat, going into port with 2 broken sails and a crazy captain. The place is Mindelo, Cabo Verde. Screaming like 2 little girls, we ran into each other's arms and went on to exchange stories from the crossings, barely remembering to breathe in the meantime. Never have I been so grateful for somebody's entire electrical system breaking down 3 days into the crossing. Truth is, things break. Always. Sometimes it's something small. Other times, you're forced to sail 4 days with no electricity, no lights, and a dead battery, navigating from your phone. For this reason exactly, Dan decided to get off the boat. As much as he loves sailing, there is a limit to how much stress he was willing to deal with to get to Colombia.
Gosha, I have a new plan. I'm going to Africa.
I didn't need to think long, because to be honest, I just wanted to have an adventure. I wanted to finally do something without having to wait, depending on asshole captains and unreliable equipment. So I went with Dan.
Oh.
Did you record this?
Yeah! What the hell? Yeah, put your tent closer, Gosha. It's gonna be nice, Gosha.
Come on, calm down, dude. Did you ever have this? Travel depression? Not depression, travel blues?
Yeah, of course.
Like
That's why I came back from Azores. But then I didn't meet any other travelers in Azores. It was like I was always alone camping, and I was like, okay, this is not fun. The weather is tough. It's beautiful, yes, but I'm fighting with seagulls, and I always sleep alone. So I was very sad during the day when I was walking, and then with the nature I would be like super happy, and then I would be again very sad, and then I would get frustrated because I always picked really hard trails. If it even was trails, sometimes it was just through the forest.
Wow, okay.
That was what I was doing. And I think everybody gets like this every now and then, you know? It's not natural to travel all the time, and you miss home. Like right now I miss home so much.
Yeah, but this actually what this thing you said about camping, hiking and camping alone, it really sounds like me in Antao. Because it was really amazing, it was really nice, but obviously in the evening I was like, yeah.
Right, yeah, you come back to, you've done like 30 kilometers, so you cannot walk anymore, like physically. And then it's still so early, it's like 5 p.m, so you put down your tent and like, well, you're gonna write a bit, you're gonna read a book, you're gonna listen to some music, but you're in the tent alone. And it's really nice, but if you do it too much, and then, yeah, you can get sick of yourself as well.
That's why the Camino is actually so nice, because then you arrive somewhere at the albergue, then you can talk with people and have like nice... I love you, Moon! I feel so sad you didn't hear this. We are sailors.
When I say partner in crime, I mean partner in crime. I mean somebody who somehow knows exactly when to give you space and when to ask existential questions. I mean someone who is happy to cook for two while you're busy with the important task of rolling joints. Someone who will let you be the third wheel on his date, because when you're a team, you're a team. Dan was all of the above and more. Never have I ever found traveling with another person so easy and natural. Somehow, he made up for all my flaws, and I had more to offer where he lacked. We were truly on the same level of chaotic crazy, and I could not imagine doing what we were about to do with anyone else I know. Because we were going to hitchhike across the Sahara Desert.